Hello everyone, welcome to Canning Coffee. Here we have a zacconi espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it had multiple issues. We had a lot of work with this machine. It basically just needed general service and it was leaking pretty much on the steamer. The lever was super stiff, the power switch wasn't working, and it was blowing up fuses. So we ended up replacing the fuse. This is the old fuses that was on the machine. This is the old power switch, and we basically replaced all the gaskets from the piston, from the group head, from the portafilter. We replaced the side glass. This is the old side glass, the gaskets from the side glass as well. We pretty much did a good clean around the machine. This is how the machine was before. You can see the shower screen completely clogged. That was the group head. That's the group head gasket. That's the piston itself, and it was really in bad condition. We also use epoxy to glue this part that you see right here on the machine. This came loose for some reason. It got unwelded, so we end up using epoxy and rerouting this cable that you see right here to the boiler, so it would be grounded. What else we did? And this is pretty much how it looks inside. We pretty much clean everything on the machine, and that's how it looked before, right here. And yeah, just a good general tune-up. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test this machine. Hopefully I got a good grind on it. And unfortunately I do not have a good grind fine enough for this machine. You can see some water coming out over here. And it's gonna be a little bit too fast for this machine. Needs more coffee or a little bit more finer grind. And yeah, it needs a finer grind for this machine. But as you can see, coming out good. The lever is super easy to pretty much move. Now we're gonna test the steamer, and you can see perfectly fine, working extremely well. And there you have it, the zacconi baby lasso working once again. So thank you for preparing Canning Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day. And now I'm gonna clean that up. Thanks for watching.